Hi, what's up mga Lods? It's me again, si Ruben Son, ang seaman na nakikipagsapalaran sa karagatan para makaahon sa buhay. Kaya sasabihin ko lang to sa inyo ulit mga Lods. Mahirap man tayo at dukha sa paningin, makakaahon din tayong lahat mga Lods. Today mga Lods, yung kakantahin natin ay kanta ni Kenny Rogers. Yung title po is Crazy, requested by Baby Jelly Alcantara. Lodi, baby, ito na yung request mo. Subukan ko lang ito mga Lods. Subukan ko ito, Lodi.
Girl, there are no words to say, what I feel in my heart. You're on my mind night and day, and it hurts me when we're apart. When you're not here by my side, there is nothing in this world for me. I guess I'm crazy, crazy for you. Can't you see? And although you may think it's crazy, here is where I want to be. I will always need your love. Well, now I can see every dream when I look in your eyes, and though things never are what they say, there is one thing that I realize, that there's no doubt in my mind, we can make this love go on forever. I guess I'm crazy, crazy for you. Can't you see? And although you may think I'm crazy, here is where I always be. I need you with me, 'cause you are the dream that finally came true in me. And all my life there'll be no one else. If I look on my life, there could be no one else. For the rest of my life, all I need is you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. As usual mga Lodi, may mga nagpa-shout out na naman. From Dammam, KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Nagpa-shout out si Kim Shay Mines. Shout out ko dyan Lodi Kim. At saka lahat ng nasa KSA. Yung sunod na nagpa-shout out, Persian Gulf pa rin. From Kuwait, si Ferlita Requena. Shout out to dyan Lodi. Ferlita, tsaka lahat ng nasa Kuwait. Yung sunod na nagpa-shoutout ay si Vicky Futba. Shoutout siya na Lodi, Vicky. Ang sunod na nagpa-shoutout ay from Seattle, Washington State, USA. Zenny Flores. Shoutout siya dyan na Lodi, Zenny. Tsaka lahat ng nasa USA. Yung sunod na nagpa-shoutout ay from FIT College, Seaman School, Palumpon, Leyte. PIT College, Seaman School, Palumpon, Leyte. Si Mercader, Richie. Shout out siya ng Lodi, Mercader. At saka lahat ng nasa Leyte. Yung sunod na nagpa-shout out ay from Persian Gulf na naman. From Kuwait, si Lenz Ang. Shout out siya na Lodi, Lenz, at saka lahat ng nasa Kuwait. The last but not the least na nagpa-shout out ay from KSA, from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I see Imelda Labasano. Shout out siya dyan, Lodi, at saka lahat ng nasa KSA. Sa lahat na manonood ngayon, shout out siya dyan lahat mga Lodi. Salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. Please don't forget to follow my FB page and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Once again, magandang araw sa lahat dyan. Thank you, and thank you.